Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great Tuesday so far. Last week was 4th of July week, and let me tell you, I was just in full relax mode. So today I was trying to get back into the flow of things, and I kept it very simple. Today I'm going to be tackling my kids' bathroom. It's not only a cleaning motivation video, but I'm also going to be showing you exactly what I use and how I clean my kids' bathroom today. So to begin, I always like to remove anything off from the floor first, so this includes any clothing and the rugs. Today I will be washing the rugs. I don't do this every time I clean the kids' bathroom, but today they really did need a wash. While I was at it, I did go ahead and add my bathroom rugs as well, and then to this load of laundry, I'm going to be adding some OxiClean. I just love how white everything looks right after it comes out. So before I spray on any cleaning product onto my surfaces, I like to begin by picking up, that's why I started off with the rugs, and then I move on to the tub and just pick up any of the toys that were left there. Normally I would just place it on our shower caddy, but if my daughter brought too many toys that time that I had to clean the tub, I will go ahead and put it in this larger bin. It has enough holes where it has proper drainage and you don't get that moldy smell that toys get when they're wet. And then I briefly wanted to mention, this is called a soap saver. I'm going to try to link it down below, but it is such a game changer. I no longer have to scrub that soap residue off the ledge of the tub, because this, what it does is just collect all of that residue, and honestly I feel like my soap lasts so much longer. Next I'm going to disinfect, and I'm going to be using the Clorox cleanup onto the faucet cover and just let that sit. And I'm going to dust the little shelf that we have above our toilet with a Swiffer duster. This is my favorite type of dusting tool so far that I've found. I feel like it does trap most of the dust in there and it doesn't go flying everywhere. I picked up this cute little frame at Hobby Lobby that says take a seat, and I just thought this shelf was the perfect location to set it. Now that I have dusted, I'm going to vacuum the floors. I'm going to use the Method bathroom cleaner in the scent Eucalyptus, and I just love this scent. It's just so soothing. It really does smell like a spa in the bathroom. I'm going to spray it everywhere and just let it sit, and then I'm going to move on to the toilet. Right now I'm using the toilet bowl cleaner from Scrubbing Bubbles in the scent Lavender, and this actually goes on as a gel and then it foams up into soap. And then you guys know me, I love to use these Lysol disinfecting wipes for the toilet because I can easily toss it away, and I don't know, I just don't like to reuse anything on the toilet seat. And this is just a habit of mine I've had for years, but after I'm done cleaning the toilet, I like to pour just a little bit of Pine-Sol into the toilet, and the bathroom just stays smelling a lot fresher for a lot longer. I'm going to clean the toothbrush and toothpaste holder with just a little bit of soap and a toothbrush that I use specifically for cleaning this. And then right after I clean that, I always like to spray a little bit of Clorox cleanup onto that toothbrush so it doesn't get nasty. I'm going to spray the Method bathroom cleaner all over my sinks as well as the faucet, and then I'm going to grab a magic eraser. This is by far my favorite thing to clean the bathroom with, and I just like to scrub everything down with this. And after I'm done scrubbing everything with a magic eraser, I'm going to go in with a microfiber cloth and just some water and rinse all of that cleaning product out. going to be cleaning the mirrors with this glass cleaner from Sprayway, and I'm also going to be shining my faucets with this. Moving on to the tub, I'm going to be using a magic eraser just to scrub the walls as well as the tub itself. It's literally the best thing to remove soap scum and to remove any of those bangs or scratches that the tub might have. I like to spray the Lysol disinfecting spray onto the shower curtain just so I can feel like that's somehow getting cleaned. And then I'm going to be cleaning the floors with just some pine sol and water. I've mentioned these German chamois before on my channel, and I'll try to link them down below once again. And then the last thing I need to do is just place all the towels. I usually have one to dry your hands, one for decorative, and I also like to replace my kids' towels that they use on a daily basis. And there you have it, guys. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of this video, and remember, it's Tuesday. Go tackle something in your house. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.